YouTube. You see, I've been there you go. Been painting. Yeah, haven't got a lot painted yet, but I was painting the wood inside the. Probably can't see, but you'd probably be right if you guessed it. It's a grayish color. I mixed everything I could find in paint that we had sitting around together, and that's kind of what it came out to be. I was hoping for a brown, but you know, I guess the red and the greens was not enough to bring the blue can and the tan can and all the other whatever cans I mixed together to a brown, so it all went gray. That's fine. It'd be cool. For me, it's as long as it's coated so the wood doesn't rot on me, at least as fast, and not too much of a la-di-da color that the neighbors or anybody or people from the street see it. So there you go. It's nighttime again. It's not real late yet, but I had to skip Bible study tonight at the coffee house to continue working on this because I got paint on my nose. I didn't necessarily want to skip Bible study, but I just felt I had to. I felt that's what I needed to do, and so Dad went to carry on for the Bible study, and I will continue to work here and get as much of this painting done as I can tonight. And then that will be it. The story will continue, but my chapter will finish before the head lays on the pillow. Whatever. So, there you go. I wish I could show you more. There's just not much light, you know. But see, I got my light inside the hut. But the chickens and the ducks have all went up, but I still don't want to leave that unlatched. So the chickens have finally started getting themselves into the coop on their own when the sun's going down, instead of me having to pick them up and put them back in there. So that's good. They finally figured it out. Although they were whining not too long ago as the sun was going down. Boy, they would whine, and I'm assuming it's because they wanted me to help them get where they're supposed to go. But I'm glad they decided to do it on their own. There you go. Hopefully we'll get a look at it tomorrow in the light and the painting. Hopefully I'll finish whatever tonight. Cause I don't want to paint tomorrow. I want to move on to the next project. Okay, how's it going? There it is. It's a bluish gray. I'm just now seeing it 2 in the morning. Too dark to see it last night, but it just kind of looks like a shed. So no, I didn't exactly paint every inch of it. None of the plastic's not painted. Down here I had to use some silver spray paint because I couldn't reach through the wire mesh, and I didn't paint everywhere inside. I mean, I got these walls and the wall into the quail room and around all the edges. See, and my paint job in the quail box is a mess because yeah, it was really hard for me to do. But at least it's got a coat on it. so and I just need to get some straw, and then I was gonna dig up some more plants and bury them in here. I was thinking about putting some comfrey and some taller grasses that may be growing in the yard. I don't know if they're safe with any mints or oreganos. I'd have to look that up first. There's vine already that grows in there naturally, but it probably can't stop. The birds might end up stopping it, but I don't know. I don't know what else. Maybe I could put some curly dock. I wonder if they're safe with that. Probably. Some few things like that in there. Get it growing, and maybe by the time I get them in there, it'll be just that much readier to go. Because I'm assuming I need to get them as chicks and raise them for a little bit in a nice warm container before they can go into the aviary. The pond is green today. Maybe so much sunlight yesterday. The pump usually keeps it from turning that green, but it's green. Maybe now it's filling up this oxygen. Maybe the duckweed might come back. I don't know. I doubt it. I think the other ducks destroyed the duckweed. There you go. I'm feeling pretty well tuckered out here. My body is just pitiful. I still need to put the skirt on the ground to keep critters from digging under. And then I need to finish my framing my duck thing. I won't have all the wood to complete it, but well, I can think of some options, but probably won't be very good. I'd rather wait on some better wood or whatever. I'm gonna try to see how far I can get. You know, see how far I can get. And I think my next project will be digging, you know, a little bit better with the pond hole here, a little small hole over there where that swimming pool is, and then take that dirt, put it around the edge, maybe hiding it the coop mesh under it, and then I'll need to pile the dirt along here, but I'm going to make this a trench-like, so that the trench comes down here and comes through, and then we'll fill up this little hole. That way the water won't, because water runs down this neighborhood hill here, just all along, and so I'm gonna have to make sure that the water don't get into the quail deal, and then I'll have to mosey on back to my bigger pond hole that I have plans for. Unless I can find more wood, and then I'll start building my shed on the side of the greenhouse. All while I haven't yet put any seeds into little pots to try and start growing some of my seeds for my garden. More to be done that can be done, and I can't keep ignoring all the rest of my life just to do it. I mentioned my body is not holding up exceptionally well. It's feeling pretty rugged right now. I'm holding this phone with both hands so I can keep from wobbling it around or dropping it. There you go. Woohoo! Yippee! I know the story on tires, and people argue whether they're good or bad, and I understand why they're bad, but we got them in this yard, and I don't know how to get rid of them, so I'm just gonna find a way to use them. There you go. I don't know. I'm not gonna sit here and ramble on and on and on today, so maybe later when I get some coffee and feel a little more limber, get some heat. I don't know if the sun's gonna come out or what. But we may try and get the ducks today too, though, so there you go. I'll definitely show that to get the ducks. Alrighty, dighty. Check you later. Woo.